How to change e-transfer limit on Scotiabank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change e-transfer limit on Scotiabank. For this, you want to open the Scotiabank app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, this is going to be the home screen. Here, you want to tap on the Move Money option at the bottom of your screen. Now it will bring you to this page. Over here you have different options. Go ahead and tap on the Interact e-transfer option. With this option, you will be able to send and request money or manage your pending Interact e-transfer and history. Now, on this page, on the bottom of your screen, you will find multiple options. In order to change the limitation, you'll be able to see the variety of ranges, so you can go through it, and then the maximum ranges to change your limit is $25,000, and above $25,000, you will not be able to increase your limitation or change the limitation. However, you will be able to decrease your limitation, so go through all of these steps and then change it accordingly. Now, the thing is that this procedure will be different for different countries, so this kind of feature might not be available in your country or residence. So if you do not find this option on your app, you can directly contact the customer support of Scotiabank. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.